So hello fellow coin collectors, this is Glenn back with another coin from Germany, and this one is a 5 Reichspfennig, and as you can see it's black, so it's zinc. And a zinc coin when it's first minted is a silverish colour, a greyish silver, but over time they tone to this black, and you can see it has white spots. That's not good on a zinc coin. It means that it is creating, it's like bronze disease, which actually eats into the coin. So you would need to try and remove that. So the blackness is okay, but these coins here are actually not a good metal to use to make a coin. Remove that here. Okay, so this one is a D mint mark, so that is Munich. And these are basic coins, they just have the information about the denomination on one side, the mint mark, and on the other side we just have the country. So is there one thing that you can see here that is missing for these coins? So here I have one from 1941, and this one is dated 1947. So that is missing the swastika. So after the Second World War, so 1945 to 48, they issued 1, 5 and 10 Reichspfennigs without the swastika, so they wanted to remove it. Along with the banknotes, and coins with swastikas still circulate, but the value is pretty diminished as well. And the 5 Reichspfennig was only issued in 1947 and 48, so they're missing 1945 and 46. The 1 Reichspfennig, I believe, was minted in 1945, 46, and the 10 was minted 45 to 48. And this coin is not an easy coin to get. The Munich was the highest minted. There are other mints, but they're pretty low. So if we look at some basic information on it, okay, so I've got the dates here, only minted in 1947-48, minted in Munich, and this one has a mintage of 16,528,400. But because it is a zinc coin, they're quite hard to get in high grades, and also to get one that's toned is pretty much impossible now, because zinc does tone quite readily. Like this coin does have toning, but you can get some of these aluminium, bronze, and mint luster. So very fine is about $25, so a coin in this condition. And extremely fine, about $60. One uncirculated one, I've got $150 there, but I'd suspect that they probably go for a lot higher than that. And the other mints, if you want to get them, a lot of them are impossible to get, but you know, if you're willing to pay a certain premium for a coin, then you can actually get it. Anyway, hope this helps you with your German coins. 1947 D mint mark, 5 Reichspfennigs. And check out my links below, and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.